Hi friends, today we are discussed on wild animals. Where do wild animals are lived? Wild animals live in jungle. Wild animals live in jungle. Which is the biggest animal on land? Elephant is the biggest animal on land. Elephant is the biggest animal on land. Which animal has a long neck? Giraffe has a long neck. Giraffe has a long neck. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe is the tallest animal. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Which animal has a trunk? An elephant has a trunk. An elephant has a trunk. Which animal has a pouch in its body? Kangaroo has a pouch in its body. Kangaroo has a pouch in its body. Which is the fastest running wild animal? Cheetah is the fastest running wild animal. Cheetah is the fastest wild animal. Cheetah is the fastest running wild animal. Which animal is the king of jungle? Lion is the king of jungle. Lion is the king of jungle. Which animal is our national animal? Markhor is our national animal. Markhor is our national animal.